Hello Rick, my name is Shankaram Parthasarathi and this is my presentation on using SQLite inside Jupyter Notebook to create, modify and visualize a database. So the database that I use in this presentation is the fighter jets that I own in Ace Combat 7. So like this, the name, which manufacturer made that jet, and which role. Like there's three types. There's an attacker, there's a fighter, and there's a multi-role. Like attacker is good for attacking ground targets, fighter is good for fighting air-to-air combat, and multi-role combines like best of both worlds into a single type of aircraft. So yeah, this slide is to show which all commands I used inside the database. These are all just basically just screenshots of the commands that I ran and the output that I got. Let's get into the main program anyway. So yes, as you can see, we first run these two commands to load up the SQL module inside Jupyter Notebook. And here I ran this command to create a table, but I accidentally didn't add an extra percentage sign, so it didn't work. It showed up as an error. Then I had to add 2 percentage signs and I did it, and I ran the command and the table got created. I just quit it here. Like I could have used like combine both of these commands into a single command, but I want to check if I did anything wrong and I didn't want to type all of this again. And after that I inserted values into the table, and then I saw that I had misspelled the name for here, and I did that. Like I updated the manufacturer name according to ID, but it didn't work. Like the command ran successfully, but none of the rows got affected. So I had to try it again, but this time I just changed the name where the designation is this one, and that did the trick. Like it changed the name of this one, the first one, F104C Starfighter, to Lockheed Martin. And then I insert another value into this table, and I kind of figured that this was not part of, like this didn't belong in this table, so I just deleted it. And then I group them according to the manufacturer, like show which ones were made by Sukhoi and these two, and then I show the ones which were made by Mikoyan and show these two, and that's that. I tried to select from designation where the designation is starts with F, but it didn't show anything. Like it just showed up as this designation, and then I just ran the drop table and it deleted the table. Like as you can see, I tried to view the table and it said no such table. So here we have the data visualization, and basically it's the same, except that I had to add this one, import matplotlib inside this program, and I forgot to add the other one like the matplotlib.inline command, and it didn't let me run the table at first. Like it said you can't plot the graph. And then I had to find out why, and then I found that I didn't add in this command, so I had to do that again, and then it worked. But it doesn't work if I try to change the figure size of the chart. Like I can't set in values, but if I just run the chart, like if I just want the graph to be shown, it does that, but it doesn't show up the, I can't change the size. I don't know why. And then like this is the pie chart, this is a bar chart, and then like I changed the color of the charts, and that's this one. Also I had to order according to ascending and descending order. They found out from like W3 schools. Basically, like to order by descending order, we have to add descending here, but if we just want to be ascending order, we don't have to add anything. Like it naturally orders according to ascending order. And this command is to convert it to HTML, like as is shown in the video, and that's basically it. And yeah, kinda I use a game because that was the thing that I had. Like I own 10 planes in the game, and they were all like I could group them. Like I found out that the values were basically was very useful for this project, so I just use that. So please don't judge me. And basically I don't watch my sports, so it's kind of hard to do all the commands like to research on athletes. Anyway, thank you and hope you have a nice day.